Thank you for staying with us. It's Profile. My guest is Raymond Walker, and Raymond is a chairman and CEO of Caribbean Assurance Brokers. When you went over and told your wife, because you were married at that
That's
time,
right.
correct,
That's right.
about the incident in the boardroom, what did she have to say? That's Zena, is her
Zena,
name?
that's right, right. Well, it was very scary for everyone, you know. And I guess, you know what I say, well, listen, I mean, the best thing is to try and see if I can find something new. And so I started thinking more and more about setting up my own brokerage operation. A group of us, we decided that what we would do is buy into an existing brokerage. The brokerage that was available at the time for sale was a brokerage that was in the general insurance part of the business. We didn't understand anything about general insurance because my forte was in life and health insurance. And so we, of course, said, well, yes, so we think we would be able to turn this thing around. So we went in. When we bought the business, for argument's sake, let us say the value of the business was, let us say, 100 million. Within, say, 4-5 months, the rates plummeted. That's insurance rates, general insurance rates, plummeted to the point where the value was now about half of what it was. And so we remember now, it's the premium from which the commission is based. And it's the premium that you use. There are two types of income in the brokerage business. You have the commission income and you have the interest income. So if your premium dollar slides, then those two parts of the equation they're going to fall as well. So we had vastly reduced commission and vastly reduced interest income. But then we had to pay the staff, and at that time we inherited a situation where the staff were being paid fixed salaries, just fixed salary, and so salaries. And so we were faced with that scenario. We had to go out and to try and find a partner or partners to see if we could really get things up. Fortunately for us, there were some brokerages out there that had a similar situation. They all were faced with the same situation, and so we had a brokerage that joined us. What it meant is that each of us stake in the entity would have been reduced significantly. But in addition to that, that shook because I put my entire savings into this business, and I eventually moved away and linked up with another brokerage, an existing brokerage where I just operate, because then there would have been no risk in terms of you having to put up funds. And so I went and I said we again, because my group that followed me along, they came and we formed this operation. We, as I said, we operated under the umbrella of another brokerage. We did our part of the business, and when we had clients who needed the general insurance part of the business, we referred it to that brokerage. They got a piece of whatever business we did on our side. Yeah.